Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm making cooker chili chicken today. So this is a very light chicken recipe that can be made really quickly. In fact, I think this is the easiest chicken recipe I've ever seen. So the ingredients list is given below, so do check it out. I've got lots of other chicken recipes on my channel, so do consider subscribing and clicking the bell. So let's move on to the recipe. So I've cleaned the chicken and taken it in a pressure cooker on high flame. Into the chicken I'm going to add green chilies. I'm adding a lot of green chilies. You can adjust this according to your spice levels. Then I'm going to add some ghee to this. Followed by some soya sauce. And some salt to taste. So we add all these ingredients to the chicken, give it a nice mix. I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of water. We don't need too much water. Mix everything together so it coats the chicken. Once it's all mixed together, we are going to pressure cook the chicken. So we close it with the lid and then we'll pressure cook it on high for 2 whistles. So once the whistles are done, then just remove it from flame and allow the pressure to release. Now you can see once I've opened the cooker, there's a little bit of water, so I'm going to put it back on fire. Now I'm adding some green chili sauce, which is totally optional. Mixing everything together once again. Now it's time to add the corn flour slurry. So I've mixed 1 teaspoon of corn flour with a little bit of water and then I'm going to add that into the chicken. This will make the gravy thicker. Once that's added, again give it a nice mix and let it boil for a few minutes so that the gravy thickens. So the chicken has been boiling for some time and the gravy has thickened. Now you can serve this along with fried rice, chapati, rice, etc. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll come back with a new recipe next time. Until then, bye bye.